I thought we'd finish the year and do a Christmas theme and thank all our subscribers for logging in and joining and watching all of our videos. It's been great, the number of subscribers that are hooked in now and the time you spend on our YouTube channel, so we must be doing something right. Have a Merry Christmas and all the best for the new year. And I just thought I'd finish up with a couple of things. All of our new Lucy Clear range of deep casting resin and some of the things you can do. Look at this one. You can put your finger up to it and you can see right through. That's the Lucy Clear casting resin. It's ultra clear. Hardly anyone else can achieve that. And look at the clarity you get. You can see right through this stuff. It's absolutely amazing. We've got a full range of colour pigments now. They're all got mica in them, so you get the sparkle. They come in small packets, so these fellas here, 50 odd colours. You can really enjoy yourself. Plus we've still got our liquid pigments as well. So to finish off, have a Merry Christmas, New Year, and may you have fair winds and sailing in 2020.
Woohoo!